Check this out, guys. Stores and charger companies don't want you to know this. Over time, your charger starts to look like this. So when you need to use it, it takes on average 3 times longer to charge your phone. It gets really low to charge because of this problem. Also, there's risk of short-circuiting, damaging your device, or even causing an accident. So don't use it like that. I'm going to show you a pretty simple solution without spending almost anything. So guys, I have this charger here and it's original to the device. And as I said, over time it gets like that and it's a shame to throw it away because this charger is really good. And if you go buy another one, it's pretty expensive. So now let me show you a very simple solution. So we're gonna need this. Heat shrinkable tubes, insulates and seals electrical connections. It's pretty easy to find. Basically any construction store has it. And in a pack like this, as you can see, there's a lot of them. But we're gonna need only one. And this one here is 8 millimeters. Because here in the charger, there's the connector, okay? So it has to be a little larger. And even then, we'll have to force it a little bit. But if your charge is smaller, you can also have a smaller tube. There are 4, 6, 8, and 10 millimeters. Again, the one I'm using is 8. So first, I'm going to measure a piece here, just about here. Then I'm going to cut it. And as I said, it does not go through the connector. So with the help of the scissors, I'm going to enlarge it a little bit. You can use other object, but with the scissors, it's pretty easy. Just force it a little bit. There you go, that's enough. And now it passes here. But to be more resistant, I'm gonna use 2 pieces. So I'm gonna take a bigger piece and I'm gonna position it about here, covering a little bit of the connector. Well, we made it through the connector, but now it's loose on the other side. So now you take a lighter and moving it quickly underneath it, you'll notice that it's gonna tighten. Just hit a little, moving it quickly, and it will shrink. Keep doing this until it's pretty tight. Just move it quickly so it doesn't burn your charger, but it shrinks. Check it out, it gets pretty tight. And now, look how nice it is. It's gonna be a little dirt here, but just rub your finger, it comes off. There you go. But now, to make it even better, I'm gonna get another piece. And I'm gonna put it about here, going a little below where we placed the first one. This second one will make it safer. I've already enlarged it, so I'm gonna go ahead and position it a little below the other one. And then it will be even tighter and much more resistant. And now just do the same process with the lighter again. And there you go, folks, our fully sealed charger. Protected and working perfectly. Let me plug it. It's working perfectly. If it was taking too long, now it will charge normally again. There will be no more risk of burning your device or having an accident. So try this at home, guys. If you have a charger like this, don't wait until it's trash, don't throw it away, try this instead. Also, don't use electrical tape because it won't last long. Try these tubes instead, it's really cheap. Try this hack at home and I'm sure it will help you a lot.